Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cream donuts at home. First, gather all your ingredients and equipment, ensuring everything is ready before you begin. Next, we'll prepare the dough, allowing it to rise perfectly. Then, we'll fry the donuts until they are golden brown and fluffy. Finally, we'll fill them with a rich, creamy center for that irresistible taste. Let's start by activating our yeast. Combine warm milk, yeast, and a small amount of sugar, letting it sit until foamy. Then, in a separate bowl, mix your flour, eggs, softened butter, and the rest of the sugar. Gradually add the yeast mixture to the dry ingredients. Knead the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Finally, cover the dough and let it rise in a warm place until it has doubled in size. Now it's time to fry our donuts. Heat about 2 to 3 inches of neutral-flavored oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully lower a few pieces of risen dough into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side for approximately 1 to 2 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. Once fried, remove the donuts and let them drain on a wire rack to remove any excess oil. With your donuts cooled, it's time for the best part, the filling. Prepare your favorite cream filling, whether it's a classic vanilla custard or a light whipped cream. Using a small knife, make a little hole in the side of each donut. Then, using a piping bag, generously fill each donut with the creamy goodness. For a final touch, dust your homemade cream donuts with powdered sugar for a delightful presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.